This video walks you through how to filter records in Airtable. Begin by opening your Airtable base. Then go to the table you want to work with. Make sure you are in the correct table before you continue, especially if your base includes several tabs with similar names. Once the table is open, you will see the records displayed in rows, with the toolbar running across the top of the view. In that toolbar, click Filter. This opens the filtering options for the current view. The filter panel is where you control which records are shown and which ones are hidden from view. You are not deleting anything here. You are only narrowing the list so Airtable displays records that match the condition you set. After the filter panel opens, click Add Condition. Airtable will prompt you to choose the field you want to filter by. Select the field that contains the information you want to use for sorting the records on screen. In this example, the field is Status, because the goal is to show only tasks that are still pending. Once the field is selected, configure the filter condition. Set the field to Status, then set the condition to Is. After that, enter or select the value to do. This tells Airtable to display only the records where the status field exactly matches to do. If your table uses a different spelling or label in that field, make sure you choose the matching value from your table so the filter works as expected. As soon as the condition is in place, Airtable updates the table automatically. You will now see only the records where status is set to do. All other records remain in the table, but they are hidden from the current view because they do not match the filter. This makes it easier to focus on one group of records without changing the actual data in your base. If you need to adjust the results, return to the filter panel and edit the condition. You can change the field, the comparison, or the value depending on what you want to see. Airtable will refresh the visible records as soon as you update the filter settings. If you want to go back to viewing everything in the table, remove the filter from the filter panel. Once the filter is removed, Airtable shows all records again in the current view. This is useful when you are done reviewing the filtered list and want to return to the full table. Your Airtable table is now filtered to show only records with status set to do, or restored to show all records if you removed the filter.